Hi and welcome to Keep Us Creative Flow. We're finishing off this baby card, so I've already made a start with personalising the stamped image. So the stamp has been embossed using black embossing ink, and this has been die cut using a die. Yes, so I've got a square card that I was going to work with. So I was just having a look, excuse me, and it just needs a, shall we do? Just needs a little trim, so I wanted to just still leave the light blue border. That might actually need I'm just going to pop a pencil mark here and here, just got a little guide, and then we're just going to try and aim for that. Basically, hope you guys are doing all right. And we're just going to trim off these edges as well because they're looking a bit scraggly. Okay. I think that was better, isn't it? Leaves the border all around. So now we can see we need to still trim this because it's not quite central. Well, I am cutting with my hand, so it's not going to be bang on. That's the whole point of handmade, really, isn't it? So I'm just going to go in a bit more here. You can obviously use a guillotine or a paper trimmer if you've got one. I totally have both of those, and I'm just in a bit of a rush this morning. So to just place this down, I was thinking of just using the ATG gun. So it's a dry adhesive. This is ATG 700 Scotch glue gun. And what I'm going to do is, so it's got a little trigger. So I'm going to press the trigger and allow it to, I'm going to push down and then release the trigger when I want to stop and turn. Hopefully I'll remember where I started. That's it. I'm going quite to the edge here. And then I'm just doing a cross in the middle. So I just like to make sure the whole card is stuck down because this is quite a thick card. So now I've got to remember which way now. Hoping it's this way. A lot of turning happened in it, so yeah, this is better. Okay. Right, down it goes. And then we've also got, this is already packed with some 3D foam waste, so this should help raise it, which is great. Just peeling that off. And I'm just going to pop that in the centre. And then we've got some, so this is some die cut waste from other projects, and you know, the corners, whether it's a corner puncher or a corner die. Oh no, not that. So I was thinking of going in because this cardstock is this similar colour to the light blue. I was thinking of just going in with these on the corners. And I've got some Barely Art precision glue here, which we'll be using. I'm just going to keep one for the envelope as well. I'm just going to pop that out of the way. Oops. I like to put something on the envelope, it just finishes it off, especially when it matches the card as well. Probably use a cloth and not your very good cardigan. Yeah. I'm sure my mum would tell me off about that. Right, So the name which you see here, it means it says Jarchuk, and that means the beggar of name from the Lord. And then Singh is a surname that most Sikhs carry, male Sikhs, and that represents royalty, and it means lion or king. Oops, a daisy. Okay, I'm gonna have to go. Around. Sorry, I just dropped the glue. Yeah, I'm in a different location. You might have realised I'm standing up on the fold away table. So, and that is, I'm currently working on a very thin long space, which is the engineer drawers you may have seen, or you can go ahead and see on, I think I put it in of interest playlist. I need to sort my playlists out, they're really going a haywire at the moment. Yeah. But yeah, just a quick simple card. I thought it'll bring you along, that you don't need to overthink it, or you can just use whatever you have any waste, especially die cut waste, because we have loads of that. I literally have a die cut waste drawer, and that this is what it can be used for. And you can also make patterns out of this. I'll just quickly show you. So you could literally grab some of these die cuts and then use it as a pattern like this as well, and that will look pretty cute. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. This is the final card. I'm going to sign it and do a message inside. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care for now.